Good evening. We teased it a little bit earlier. Now let's give you those official rainfall totals for the day. Effingham, your leader, with 37 1/100ths of an inch of rainfall, 33 1/100ths in Decatur and also in Taylorville. But you know, our friends down in Robinson, we spoke about earlier this week, where they have the burn ban, they only got 8 1/100ths of an inch of rainfall, but every little bit helps. Today's highs 70 in Effingham, so Effingham led in that category as well. 68 in Robinson, 68 in Danville, 70 also in Taylorville today. Our satellite radar shows you this low pressure system is winding its way out of the area, leaving behind only a few clouds here in east central Illinois. And those clouds are a system that will be moving out. We'll show you tonight a few clouds coming through around 8. Possible rainfall, maybe a few raindrops for a few people in the central portion of our viewing area. But by the morning, by sunrise, you've got a very brilliant sunshiny day. Overnight tonight, though, 44 degrees, the clouds eventually clearing out with winds from the southwest. Looking at tomorrow, we have again those clouds on Futurecast. A few more come through, and then by the end of the day it's all over, so mostly you have nothing but sun during the daylight hours. So let's look at your temperatures. Our temperatures basically aren't going to move much at all. 61 for the afternoon high, and an interesting note, at 3 p.m. the winds are going to be kicking up, and we'll have wind gusts about 30 miles an hour or so, and that's something we'll be watching. In fact, wind gusts will probably be exceeding 33 miles an hour, maybe up to 35 miles an hour by mid-afternoon. That will change by the time we get to evening, and then overnight we're back to normal, at least for a little while. Our 3-day outlook shows you the winds are a significant factor, the wind direction in particular. Northwest winds keeping it cool, 61 tomorrow, but then we have neutralization of the winds. That will allow our temperature to get up a little bit, 64 degrees. Still not normal for this time of year though, and then cooling off a bit more toward the weekend. And again, those northwest winds are doing the trick with a high of only 57 on Saturday. And then looking ahead a bit through the entire weekend, well, it does warm up a little bit on Sunday, but then we're back down and frankly almost 20 degrees below normal at times as we begin the new week.